Hello. So today the last thing you're gonna do, we're gonna go over our R sound. So remember this week our skill was the bossy R. So when the R is paired with a vowel like A, the A makes no sound. So it goes from sounding like ah to no sound, and all we hear is the R. So this says cart, art, arm, barn, yarn, and harm. Will you read those with me? Cart, art, arm, barn, yarn, harm. Okay, now I want you to read them. Good job. And then we had our high frequency words. This week we had 6. 4, like the number 4. Large, none, only, put, and round. 4, like the number 4. Large, like very large. None, like 0. Only, put, and round, round. What you're gonna do today is pick 5 of these words and make 5 sentences. So you can actually pick more than 5 if you want, but you need to have 5 sentences, and each sentence needs to have at least one of these words, either an R word or a high frequency word. For example, and I'm gonna give you an example and you cannot use my example. I'm gonna pick barn and 4. So I might say something like 4 cows live in the, I ran out of room here, barn. What do I need to have in my sentence? A period at the end, and the beginning always needs to be capitalized. So I used 4 and barn. Maybe now I'm gonna use, let's see, arm, large, none, only. I'm gonna use yarn. So I might say something, my sentence needs to begin with a capital letter. My cat plays with yarn, period. Okay, now I need 3 more sentences. Let's do, large, the large cart was heavy. I'm going to use large and cart. The, start with a capital letter, the large cart is heavy. That's an E right there, period. And then I would need 2 more. I think you get the idea. So you need at least 5 sentences. And then we're gonna color code our sentence. If it's a high frequency word, you're gonna color code it yellow. If it's an R word, you're gonna color code it red for red rule. So barn has the R sound, so I'm gonna color code it red for red rule. Yarn is red rule. Large and cart is red rule. And then I think, 4 was a high frequency word, so this would be color coded yellow. Okay? Alrighty, boys and girls. And I'll see you at our Zoom meeting today.